right, here we are at the Dorado Park Nature Trail Walk. We've got Victoria and Mommy here. Hi guys, how's it going today? Did you see any beautiful creatures here? Where are they? What do you see? Let's see. Oh, what is that? Is that a ducky?
Duck, actually. That's not a duck, actually.
Are you sure it's not a duck? It looks like a duck. What do you think it is?
It's a special kind.
Really? Okay. All right. Well, guys, let's walk the trail. Let's do this, everybody. Victoria, are you going to jump in the lake later and go swimming with the... Because you like the water? And then you've got, remember these beautiful creatures right here?
And turtles. And there's a lot of squirrels. Look, Daddy, they're all jumping in.
I see that.
How do they get that way?
Down to a point where they're extremely lethargic. What did you do that for?
You're so funny. Want to go on the 1 mile?
Yeah, let's go on the 1 mile.
No, there's not any higher.
Here we go. Are you ready?
There's
You
no.
gotta punch 'em.
I have a weapon.
You
What's your
do?
weapon?
It's my water.
The water
I
weapon.
just put it on them. You know they get scared of water.
Who does? Coyotes?
Yeah.
Really?
And if you howl at them, if you like, I don't know, howl at them, they
You howl at them?
yeah.
No, you stand still and you wave your hands.
No.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. What do you think about that, baby? Right? Okay, well, Victoria, what do you think? Okay, well, we're going to keep walking down this road. We got a 1 mile hike. Let's do this. That's kind of interesting tree. You guys should take a picture right here.
Look at you. Come on now.
So you can see it? Yeah.
Okay. This way
Look at the duck.
or this way?
Very good
That
1
way.
and 2 mile trails.
This one.
Okay. All right. Oh, look at this.
That's a colorful duck.
I've seen a lot of those ducks.
Okay. All right. Well,
Time to enjoy.
time to enjoy our trail walk, everybody.
Yes.
See you guys later, Gators.